We applied to adopt a child and we weren't able to adopt that child because of the colour of our skin.
The Manders are a British Sikh couple who wanted to adopt a child. They went to their local adoption agency to try to do that, and they were turned away before they could even make an application because of their perceived cultural heritage.
When I knew I needed to find a law firm, I naturally went to the ones that were big names doing Google searches. I think I approached 3 of the top ones out there to explain my story. None of them really wanted to listen to the reasoning of why I felt this case needed to be looked at. So I was kind of like screaming for someone just to listen to me.
Reena and Sandeep Mander came to us and explained that they had been trying to adopt a child, and they were told by the Berkshire Adoption Agency that because they were of brown skin, they could not adopt a white child. And they asked us to take their case to try to strike down that law and to help them be able to adopt and others to be able to adopt any child of any race.
They had tried for so long to adopt and had all the necessities in place. They've been in a committed marriage and relationship for years. They have a big house. They've just, in just every way, were an ideal couple to adopt. You'd consider yourself to be very lucky to be adopted by them. And yet they were dismissed from the process at the very early stage because of the color of their skin. And so it was absolutely devastating to them.
The case went to trial. There was, I think, a 3 or 4 day trial, and the judge came back in favour of the Manders and ruled that there had been discrimination on the basis of race.
The publicity this got on a global level was very overwhelming, but also very encouraging as well, because people believed in our story and people believed there needed to be a change, and we're just thankful we were able to deliver that change to the adoption system in the UK.
I think this case reminded local councils of what the policies in place are.
So I do hope the Manders decision will absolutely put others on notice that time's up, you've got to change.